Hey guys, out here at the lake, about to check out this new pump I got from Appfull, and I use it to pump up my blackfin. Really nice pumps from everything I've seen. Looking forward to checking it out. Let's get into it. I'm doing this as a one-man show today, so let me make sure both cameras are rolling. Aim this one down a little bit, and let's get into the box. Alright, inside the box we have the pump itself. You're able to see this. I'm able to show it here, and up just a little bit more. There's the pump, nicely wrapped and protected. Nice and small little package. And other than that, inside the box you have a little brochure and the hose. There we go. And then hose adapters for if you need to pump up other things other than paddle boards. They do come with those. So, set those off to the side. Aim this down a little bit more. Take a better look at it. So, remove that piece of plastic. And there should be a cord in here to plug into the car. There's plug-in port. Wonder what's in here. There's the cord. So inside there you have your wire all nice and spooled up, ready to go. Just pull it out. There's a lot of wire in there, so it'll be able to reach pretty far. That's nice. Bear with me, this is the first time I've opened it. It was all twist tied. Go ahead and remove that. And then you'll take this, open the plug port, and just plug it in like so. Now I'll plug this into my car. One thing you always want to do when you go to pump up a board is crank your car before you use any pump. Let's see. Alright, I'll just start it up to see which sides inflate and which sides deflate, because it doesn't say that. But I'll be right back. Let's crank up the car and we'll find out. I just noticed inside one of these ports, I don't know if you can see it, there's actually a filter in the intake, and then it blows out this side. So we're about to blow up a board. It's got a quick connect. Let me make sure my hat camera's on real quick. Okay, rolling on the hat cam. Once again, there's a little filter on the import. Air comes out here. Since we're about to blow up a board, notice this thing's got a nice little quick connect, unlike most pumps. So right there, bam, it's ready to go. I'll just close this little door back here, and we will go over and blow up my blackfin. Let's see if we can go ahead and set the PSI beforehand. It's on PSI 15, 16. There we go. You have plenty of cord to do what you need to do. Went all the way from the car out here to the grass. Good. Spin you guys around. All right. Grab my trusty blackfin out of here. Go ahead and put it down. Unroll it to the bag. This comes off. Always make sure your stem is in the up position. That way when you unplug the pump, you don't lose a bunch of air. I see so many people make that mistake and have to repump their boards. One thing that's a little different from this pump from my other one is it actually defaults to 15, so you gotta set it to 16. And let's see how long it takes. All right, so this pump to me seems a whole lot quieter than the other pumps. I did actually just check the decibel meter though, and it's rating about the same. So it's actually reading 84, but some of that's ambient noise. But just the frequency of this one, it seems quieter and you can hold a conversation a little bit easier near it. So that's something may or may not matter to you, but just figured it worth mentioning. All right, so my stopwatch ended at about 10 minutes and 30 seconds, and it had already been going for about 30 seconds before that. So right at 11 minutes to pump up to 16 PSI. There we go, pump is detached. Look how tiny and lightweight this thing is, y'all. Awesome pump. I'm looking forward to hitting the water now. All right, guys, the audio quality may not be as good when I'm out on the water, but it's such a beautiful day out here. Looking forward to enjoying the water a little bit. And yeah, I've got camera on my chest. I'll get you guys a little bit of first person view video. Got it filming out ahead of me right now. And let me know if you guys enjoy this. And if you want to see more just days on the water too. I'm gonna get going a little bit. Take a look at this water, y'all. Started out way down there. Boat ramp. Gone about 0.34 of a mile now. Can't get much better than this. I've done that first little bit of a mile pretty quickly. About to keep on going, but yeah, guys. Every time I get on the water, I feel lucky to be here.